Hi, welcome to clickmyproject.com. Now let me discuss about the title of the process. The title of the process is Similarity Trust Against Attack in the Peer-to-Peer e-commerce. Now let me discuss about the abstract of our process. We presented a Sybil trust, a defense against Sybil attack in peer-to-peer e-commerce. Compared to other approaches, our approach is based on the neighborhood similarity trust in a group peer-to-peer e-commerce community. This approach exploits the relationship between peers in a neighborhood setting. Our results on real-world peer-to-peer e-commerce confirmed fast mixing property, hence validated the fundamental assumption behind Sybil code's approach. We also describe the different types such as key validation, distribution, position verification. We evaluate the performance of the proposed Sybil trust. We measured two metrics, namely non-trustworthy rate and detection rate. Trustworthy rate is a ratio of the number of honest peers which are erroneously marked as Sybil or malicious peer to the number of total honest peers. Detection rate is the proportions of detected Sybil or malicious peers to the total Sybil or malicious peers. Communication cost. The trust level is sent with the recommendation feedback from one peer to another. If the peer is compromised, the information is broadcast to all peers as revocations of the trust level is being done. Computation cost. The Sybil trust approach is efficient in the computation of polynomial evaluation. The calculations of the trust level evaluation is based on the pseudo-random function. It is a deterministic function. Sybil trust uses a distributed algorithm to perform neighbor validation to ensure that the neighbor similarity trust information is kept as honest and secure as possible. Sybil trust is able to limit the number of admitted Sybil attack peer identities to a very small number while admitting most honesty identities. This is abstract of our process. Now let me discuss about the data program of our process. First, our process starts with the network model. After that, here we have to construct a node. So here we node act as a peer. After that, we have to predict the trusters in the network. After that, we have to predict the trustee in the network. Then we have to identify the neighborhood node. Then we have to broadcast the packet in the network. Then we have to calculate the trust factor. By using that, here we have to calculate the neighbor similarity trust. After that, we have to evaluate the trust. Then we have to predict the Sybils in the network. So this is a data flow diagram of our process. So now let me discuss about the complete demo of process. First we have to run home.java. So just right click on that home.java file. And our title is detection of Sybil attack based on neighbor similarity trust using the identify distribution process. Click on the frame. You have to click here to deploy the nodes. Then you just plot the nodes in that particular frame and click node isolate button and deploy the node. Nodes will be connected here and click the source node and click the destination node and here we are selecting the possible path based upon the x and y coordinates. After that, we have to route the files, route the packet. So we have to choose the packet. So here packet will be act as a text file. Then here we have to view the packet. After that, you click the next button. So here we get the node information, file information and display that file details. Then click next. So here we are having a distance between source and destination nodes and forwarding nodes, and here we predict the routing path. Event source for transferring the file from source to destination. Then click next button. So this is a selector node for the event. So locations of sync node x coordinate, y coordinate, and click next button. So find neighborhood nodes and distance value and minimum distance node and click next. So broadcast message, alarm message will be sent to neighbor nodes. So from 3 to get choose node and get identify localize the nodes. So So before that, I have to click and broadcast some message. Localize the positions. So click next. So smoothing process will be placed here. So receive the content and evaluate the process by using time efficiency or proposed and existing system. So this is a complete demo of our process. Thank you for watching.